What is up, LEGO people? Welcome back to part 2 of building the Order 66 mock. Today, we're going to focus on the right side of the mountain, where the waterfall will be, and all of the surrounding terrain. Side note, in the filming of the last video, I didn't have a channel name, but now I do. It's Kalego. 3/5 of my name mixed with Lego.
Oh yeah, fuck Lego.
I was not playing with my Legos. I was testing the real world situation of an ATTE versus an AAT. I don't play with Legos. I'm a serious collector. Alrighty guys, this week we have made some considerable progress, especially on the waterfall. I'm liking how this side's starting to turn out. We've used a lot of snot technique, which for those of you that don't know, that means studs on top. Basically you build out instead of up. And I like the way that's turning out, especially right over the little cave that the water's coming out of. I don't have enough water pieces this week to fill it with more water. I have about 500 on the way, but it's going to be a while before they get here, so we'll have to wait to add those in. But I really like how the terrain and build up to the waterfall is coming along. It's a little shorter than I expected, but when I started thinking about it, I think that this will turn out better. So I'm not going to make this side of the mountain quite as tall as I originally planned, but I think that's okay. I think we'll do a good job, and I think it'll turn out pretty good. So we'll see. Alrighty guys, I've been given these few pieces in this little baggie and specifically requested to add them to the waterfall. So add them we shall. Alright guys, the pieces given to me were these light gray pieces up here, then down here we have a dark gray stud, and then it's also on top of a light gray piece. And then there was that dark gray 1x1 tile right there. That was given to me. And then so were these dark blue pieces, which I put there because I think they'll help give the water that I put here a little extra height. So thank you to the individual that gave those to me. They were a huge help. Alrighty guys, as always, a huge thank you for watching. Next week won't be a mock building video. I still have a lot of pieces I need to get, but the following week will. I have another video planned for next week, but once again, if you liked what you saw, please like and subscribe. Leave a comment if you have any suggestions, and I'll see you next time.